Hey everyone, this is Ben with Hochman Fabrication and Speed with a quick install video for our new A90 Supra Power Brace and harness bar. So first and foremost, you're going to remove 3 panels. There's a panel right here, another upper one right here, and then the speaker cover panel. They're very simple and easy to remove. If you're installing this yourself, you should be able to figure that out. The way you get this in here is you come in through one of the doorways, and you'll prop it up on here, and I like to come back here and then get inside the vehicle. The next thing I want to point out is how tight it is of a fit, and here's how you get it in. You kind of lean it in the back here. You'll notice how it'll sit on both sides propped just like this. So the way that you get it in is you roll it back just a little bit. Let me put my light right here, and it'll snug right into place. So if you don't do it that way, you will have a lot of trouble getting it in. And that's pretty much it. After you've bolted it all down, it is a pretty straightforward process. You'll reassemble everything. You'll notice that we've supplied longer bolts that are rated 10.9 in order to accommodate the fact that we are sitting on top of the old brace for these bolt mounts, and you'll want to make sure to use them. The easiest way to get them in is to use a long extension with a 1/4 inch ratchet, and it is a 13 millimeter. So that will allow you to get, with these panels off, easily in there from below as well as above. And that's it. I almost forgot to mention in my video that this does also use the OEM brace bolt for this, and you will go ahead and just insert it in here and tighten it down as the OEM one did. So along with those other 2 connections, you've got 3 connections now on both sides. This is actually the original mounting point right here for the seatbelt. So you were mounted up to the exact same brace that the OEM seatbelt had, but with stronger connection.